wild, man. That shit was like a fucking movie trying to get this nigga back, man.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Got him, though.
Yeah, we got him, shit, but I still ain't satisfied because I don't like when a nigga try to test a nigga, you feel me? I ain't even off that. Like, I'm as real as they come, and if a nigga to grab one of my niggas, I'm like, I mean, what you doing? You know what I mean? You act like I ain't about this, I don't keep it 1,000 with niggas, you feel me? So, we good though, you know what I mean? I'm just trying to take this one day at a time. Like I told you in the kitchen when we was whipping up, like, yo, I'm done with this shit, man. You see what we just went through?
Nah, I'm with you all the way, man.
You see what we just went through, man. We had to cook up for another nigga trying to get somebody else back. You know what I mean? So like I said, this music shit is all I got. Rich dreams come true, man.
I see the vision.
You already. Montana way all day.
It's all illegal, it's all illegal, it's all illegal, it's all illegal. Illegal life. I said it's all illegal, it's all illegal, it's all illegal, it's all illegal.